How to fix maximum number of attempts reached TikTok. To get started, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Cache and Cellular section and tap on Free Up Space. Here, tap on Clear beside the Cache section. Then, tap on Clear again to confirm. Clearing your cache will free up space. Another way to free up space is by going to the Settings app. Then, go to General, and then tap on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and tap on TikTok. Once you are here, tap on Offload App. This will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Clearing up space will help in fixing the maximum number of attempts of reaching TikTok. Following these steps, you can easily fix the maximum number of attempts reached TikTok.